हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल माइंड पोर्टल। आज के इस क्यूज वीडियो में हम मार्केटिंग एंड सेल्स के कुछ क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे जो आपके अपकमिंग CIL नॉन एग्जीक्यूटिव टू एग्जीक्यूटिव एग्जाम से रिलेटेड है। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। The forecasting method that is least depend on historical data is option 1 time series analysis, option 2 the deeply technique, option 3 trend analysis, and option 4 a market test. And the correct answer is option 4, a market test. The main problem with using a market test is that it is usually option 1 difficult to interrupt, option 2 expensive, option 3 encrypted, option 4 unacceptable. And the correct answer is option 2 expensive. When a business has a relatively small number of customers, a useful method of forecasting is option 1 time series analysis, option 2 the Diffley technique, option 3 trend analysis, and option 4 a customer forecasting survey. And the correct answer is option 4 a customer forecasting survey. Henry takes the company's sales for the past 5 years and calculate a growth trend. Which sales forecasting method is being employed? Option 1 time series analysis, option 2 the deeply technique, option 3 trend analysis, and option 4 a customer forecasting survey. And the correct answer is option 1 time series analysis. The first stage in creating the sales forecasting is to estimate option 1 market demand, option 2 profit, option 3 sales turnover, and option 4 prospect. And the correct answer is option 1 market demand. Which of the following forecasting method is suitable for launching new products? Option 1 time series analysis, option 2 the mental method, option 3 trend analysis, and option 4 customer forecasting survey. And the correct answer is option 1 time series analysis. In order for the time series regression method to be used, you need option 1 many periods of data to plot, option 2 a buying power index, option 3 pollution statistics, and option 4 customer survey result. And the correct answer is option 1 many periods of data to plot. Which forecasting tools generally make the assumption that the future will look very much like the past? Option 1 surveys, option 2 observation, option 3 statistical method, and option 4 market test. And the correct answer is option 3 statistical methods. Internal record system, marketing databases, competitive intelligence system, and client contact system are all examples of option 1 market knowledge systems, option 2 marketing tools, option 3 forecasting systems, and option 4 tracking system. And the correct answer is option 1 marketing knowledge systems. What is typically estimated in a forecast? Option 1 market potential, option 2 penetrated market, option 3 target market and sales forecast, and option 4 all of the above. And the correct answer is option 4 all of the above. माइंड पोर्टल ऐप पे CIL नॉन एग्जीक्यूटिव टू एग्जीक्यूटिव एग्जाम के लिए टेस्ट सीरीज और ऑनलाइन क्लासेस अवेलेबल है। टेस्ट सीरीज और ऑनलाइन क्लासेस का लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए हैं। लिंक पे क्लिक करके आप टेस्ट सीरीज और क्लासेस परचेस कर सकते हैं। माइंड पोर्टल के एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन ग्रुप को ज्वाइन करने के लिए नीचे दिए गए नंबर पे मैसेज करें। इस तरह के और क्यूज वीडियो के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक्स।